Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to add watermark to PDF. Friends, if you want to add watermark to a PDF file, then you simply need to open I Love PDF on your web browser. Now here you need to search for watermark. Now in this option you can add watermark into your PDF file. So you need to select the PDF file. Now here add your PDF file. There are two methods to add watermark. In the first option you can add text. And now you can give size to this text. Also you can make this text bold, and you can also select the color because we want watermark to be little lighter, so you can select the shade. And after selecting all the options, you can select where you want to add the watermark. So I want the watermark on the center of the page, so I will select in center. Now here as you can see the dot is showing where our watermark will appear, and you can click on add watermark and download the file, or in the second option you can add watermark via image. In that option you can add the image. I have uploaded a logo. Now I will use this transparency option to make this logo little lighter. I will select 50%. Also you can rotate this logo. I will select 45°, and from here you can select the position. I will select center of the page, and now you can click on add watermark and download the PDF file. Now simply save the file. Now I will open this file. Now friends, here as you can see our watermark is added to our PDF file. So friends, like this you can very easily add watermark via text or via image in your PDF file. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.